Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dollar Mint Old Coin. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of rare coins, specifically the 2003 US penny that could be worth thousands of dollars. Yes, you heard me right. A penny worth $2,000. But how is that possible? Stick around, because in this video, we'll explore why this specific penny can fetch such a high price, how to spot it, and how you can potentially find one in your collection. First, let's set the stage. We all know the penny. It's the smallest and least valuable coin in circulation. The 2003 penny is just another year of production, right? Well, for the most part, yes. But in the world of numismatics, even the tiniest detail can make a huge difference. So, why would a 2003 penny be worth $2,000? Well, the answer lies in a rare variety known as the 2003 Double Die Obverse penny. If you don't know what that means yet, don't worry. Let's break it down. A double die is a type of minting error. The term double die refers to the fact that the coin's design was struck twice, which causes the details to appear doubled or distorted. In the case of the 2003 penny, the error occurred during the minting process when the die was improperly aligned, leading to the doubling effect on the front of the coin. You'll see the double images especially on words like liberty and in God we trust. As you can see, this doubling creates a noticeable effect, making the coin stand out from a typical penny. And this, my friends, is what gives it the potential to become a valuable piece in a collector's hands. Now, let's talk about rarity. How rare is the 2003 Double Die Obverse penny? Well, these are incredibly scarce. Only a small number of these coins were minted, and many of them were likely missed or overlooked when they were originally produced. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. How can you tell if you have a 2003 Double Die Obverse penny in your collection? It's all about inspection. First, grab your magnifying glass or a jeweler's loupe. These are essential tools for any coin collector. Next, focus on the obverse side of the penny, the side with Abraham Lincoln's profile. Look closely at the letters Liberty and In God We Trust. If you see a clear doubling effect, you might just have one of these rare coins. Here's a side-by-side comparison. On the left, you see the normal 2003 penny, and on the right, the double die version. Notice how the doubling is prominent on the L and I in Liberty. That's the hallmark of this error. Now that we've spotted it, let's talk about value. The 2003 Double Die Obverse penny, in good condition, can fetch upwards of $2,000. The price depends on its condition, but coins in mint state or with exceptional details have been known to sell for even more. For example, some have been auctioned for as much as $2,500 or even higher, depending on the market. If you think you have a 2003 Double Die penny, you might be wondering, how can I sell it? There are several avenues. 1. Coin auctions. You can try selling through well-known auction houses like Heritage Auctions or eBay. 2. Coin shops. Many coin shops will offer to buy rare coins, but keep in mind that they might not offer the highest prices. 3. Online marketplaces. Platforms like eBay allow collectors to bid on and purchase rare coins, giving you a chance to get the best price. Once you've found this rare penny, it's crucial to keep it safe and protected. Store it in a protective coin holder or capsule to prevent any wear or damage. This will help preserve its value for years to come. To recap, the 2003 Double Die Obverse penny is a rare and valuable coin that can be worth up to $2,000 or more, depending on its condition. If you find one in your change jar or collection, it's definitely worth getting it appraised. So, that's it for today's video. If you found a 2003 penny and think it might be a Double Die Obverse, take the time to inspect it carefully, because it could be worth a lot more than you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. And, as always, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever found a rare coin in your collection? I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, happy collecting.